Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Sheets on your phone and creating a new file called Attendance with the current year. Add columns for date, name, status, notes, and a timestamp column to record when entries occur. If you prefer faster entry, set up a linked Google form. It writes to the sheet automatically. Otherwise, prepare the sheet for manual entry. Make sure offline access is enabled so you can take attendance without network interruptions. Then move to entering a first row. Once the sheet or form exists, focus on reliable data capture. If using a form, add fields for name and status and set status as a choice list. Present, absent, late. This prevents typos. Connect the form to your attendance sheet so responses append automatically with a timestamp. If you're entering directly in Sheets, add data validation for the status column and consider a script or simple equals now. Shortcut to log time. But remember equals now. Updates. Use copy-paste values to preserve timestamp. To finish, share editing access with co-takers or publish the form link to participants. Make sure permission is editor only for trusted users. Add a summary tab that uses countifs to compute present, absent, and late counts per student. This saves time when reviewing. If things go wrong, first check sharing permissions and sync status, then verify there are no duplicate headers or malformed responses. If timestamps look wrong, ensure you pasted values or used form timestamps instead of volatile functions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.